All right, what up, guys? Crypto Jasper back at it with another crypto video. Bitcoin may have hit a floor after Powell's speech. Token down about 6% since Powell's hawkish Jackson Hole speech. We all remember the Jackson Hole speech. Bitcoin quivered but didn't fold after Jerome Powell signaled higher for longer interest rates to fight inflation, a pattern that for brave prognostics could be a hint of a floor for the digital token. The largest cryptocurrency is down about 6% since Powell's hawkish August 26 Jackson Hole speech, underlined that the Federal Reserve wants to subdue financial markets as part of a push to curb economic activity and contain price pressures. That's a smaller drop than traders are conditioned to expect in a volatile asset. It's roughly in line with the rout in the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 index over the period, whereas the past Bitcoin losses have sometimes been orders of magnitude above the weakness in traditional assets during times of stress. So right here on the right in the diagram, we have U.S. dollars. Down here we have the months of the year 2022. It says Bitcoin is holding the line, staying above 20K despite Powell's hawkish turn. Um, it did dip below, as you can see, a couple of these valleys. Actually, a few of these valleys, but maybe even right here came close. Um, but damn, you see this little lip right here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, this guy right here. This is huge. This is huge because, as you can tell right here, this curve right here, look where it ultimately led. So this curve right here, well, you have a little dip here, and this is like, this is called, being antsy, antsy Nancy. Don't be an antsy Nancy. This valley right here and this little come up, I'm on the come up, run up, I'm on the come up. What was that? Oh, Bia. She said some shit like that. But look, you can see it's going to take off again. How far, we don't know. But when there's a lip right here and it's fighting for the utmost respect from the graph, see, if you look at this one, when it was dramatically coming up. But ultimately, this led to the highest peak that this is. So you have to understand that this is kind of monumental as well. Because say this was up here, right? There was no valley, excuse me, not a peak. Say this valley was a peak. Would you be up here by then, or would you still be back here? You get what I'm saying? So I think if the game plays any differently, you're definitely not gonna have these high peaks. Like, look at the back end of this. Like that was a hard fall. I call these hard falls. And then it tanked under. So as you can tell, we have a lot of hope. A lot of hope that this can actually reach the 25 mark and then the 30 mark. And we're looking at I'm looking at 30 by October for sure. If not, I would say by the end of December we can hit the 35. You just never know. Bitcoin is showing some resilience here. as it has clawed back above the 20,000 level despite widespread stock market weakness. Oanda senior market analyst Ed Moya wrote in a note, crypto traders are not used to seeing Bitcoin withstand a rout on Wall Street, so that this could be a promising sign. Bitcoin climbed as much as 2% on Tuesday and was trading at 2,400, or excuse me, 20.4 of 10:03 a.m. in London. Tokens ranging from Ether to Solana also posted modest gains amid steadier mood in global markets. So, um, the last week or so, we've seen drops increases of 2%, up to 2%. It says paying a premium for options protecting against fall below 18,000. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Did Bitcoin hit the floor after Powell's speech? And how do you feel about it? Was the Jackson Hole speech? Um, yeah, was it a stab in the dark? Or what do they say? Stab in the dark? Yeah, was it a stab in the dark? Market watchers had feared bigger declines amid round stocks. So at least they didn't hit the highest of drops, but still some significant damage to Bitcoin. So let's keep it running, guys. Like and subscribe. Send the ETH. Send the ETH. Let's fucking get it. We out. Peace, guys.